for asking.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't get a chance to join yesterday's meeting. Sorry, not meeting, his class. Okay, so uh, if
Have
you
you
don't
gone
mind,
through the
Ahmed, can you
video?
please share the... No, I have not received any video, probably.
No, the thing is, I already
Uh,
told you to access from YouTube channel. Do you remember? I already posted in that.
oh, it's already there. Oh, my bad. I was just looking for the video. Okay,
No,
I'll
you
use
just
that. Thank you
follow
very
the
much.
channel. I am just posting all those videos
Okay.
in the channel.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, Ahmed. Yeah,
Okay,
appreciate it. Thank you.
okay. So last class we have seen string creation and the comparison of strings using double equals method and equals method as well. Today we will explore a method present in the string. So let me write one SOP statement where just to segregate the output from yesterday's execution. So what I'll do is I create string ex equals to hello world. So this is my string. By using this string and the methods present in it, so let me, so here, so these are the characters present in my example. So I just label number 2, 3, 4, 5, space is 6. Let me give 7, 8, 9, 10, and here. So there are 11 characters in my hello world. And now the same, if I begin with index 0, okay, yes, can you observe over there? I just gave some sequence numbering over there. So when I start with the 1 and count, there are 11 characters in it. Hello 5 characters, world 5 characters, and a space between that. So that is 11 characters. Now what I am doing is I go I use that example dot. So look there, character at. So I can use the method character at and pass an index of that, and it gives the character present at that particular index. Here you can see this character at method is present in string class. Then the return type is character, and this is the method name with the argument. So this is how to understand the Eclipse content assist showing the methods over there. So I say character at. I say character at 2 position. Look there, character at 2 position. So I will print that character. I write here at second position is. So what is the character it is printing? Let me execute this. Look there, the character at second position is L. So it is counting from 0. So it is giving this L as the result. This L as the result. So 0, 1, 2. So over there you can see. So character at the second position is L and it is counting from 0. So the thing is we need to determine how the count it is considering, whether it is counting from 0 position or 1 position. So I write here count begins from 0. When I say system.out.println example dot, look there, length function. Length function will return an integer. So I go use this length and length will give the number of characters present in it. Present in given example is, so 11 characters. Hello world and space. You can see 11. So it is giving 11. So here when it is giving 11, then how it is counting? Counting is beginning from 0 or 1. So it is counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Are you able to follow what count is beginning from 0 and count is beginning from 1?
Yeah. So
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, let's find out few more methods. Example dot substring. So substring. If there's substring method, there are overloaded methods. Substring. Let me take the first one. Substring. So I just give 2. It means what it gives is it extracts some portion of the given string. So I write here substring of 2. Of 2 is this. Let me execute this. So it is giving, when I ask for a substring of 2, it is giving me this result. So it means how it is counting. Is it counting from 1, 2 or 0, 1, 2? Look there, the result is this one. When I give 2, this is what the result. So when I give 2, here you can see this 2. It means it is counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2 from second character, second position. I need all the characters present in the given string. That is what a substring of passing an index results to. So the count begins from 0. From 0 position. Similarly, I'll go using trim function. So for this I will write string example 1 equals to, look there, I give some spaces and some other spaces in a string. It means my example 1 having a value India with the preceding spaces and following spaces also. Now system.out.println trim all spaces. If I trim, then example 1 dot, you can see what the trim. So trim is going to remove the extra spaces given in the string. And I print this, it will print India, or there you can see India. The extra spaces are not being displayed over there. So trim function is going to remove those extra spaces. Then I have substring method overloaded with two arguments. So I will use that. I'm just copying this. Yeah, substring. What I'll do is substring 2 comma 7 I'll give. So here substring 2 comma 7. If you want, you can see here, you can see substring with one index, substring with a begin index and end index. So overloaded method. So let me print the result for this and observe how the count of first index and second index is. So when I give 2, yes, look there. The result is, it is giving me LLOW. So LLO, it is beginning with first L. It means the count of first index is beginning from 0. Count of first index is beginning from 0. How about the count of second index? So 7, it is right, 7. So let me count the characters here, 7. W is my last character in the result. Look there. So here W is the result as last character in the output. So here you can see W here, the count is beginning from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, W. So it means second index, the count is beginning from 1. This is very important to understand, because if you don't understand this, how the count, how it is internally counting, then you cannot write the logic properly. So are you okay?
Yes.
Fine, fine. Then I take example 1, got out of println to uppercase. I can convert to uppercase. That is example dot to uppercase. You can see, you can convert to uppercase as
Yes.
well as lowercase also.
Mm-hmm.
So to uppercase, and let me execute this. So here you can see it is converted to uppercase. Similarly, a given string can be converted to lowercase as well by using two lowercase. Then yes, look here, index of a character. Index of a character. I can pass a character and find the index of it. So index of, I say, seventh character. So let me give number 7. Index of 7. So let me run this. So what it is giving, index of 7. Oh, sorry, 7 is not available actually. I need to pass uh, index of O. HELLO WORLD world. Hello world. I am passing O over there and I am asking to give the index of O present in it. If a character what you are passing is not available, then it is giving -1 as the result. Let me re-execute.
Okay.
So 4 it is giving.
Yeah.
So 4 if it is giving, look there I have numbered from both 1 to 0, 1 and 0. So L, so it is giving me, sorry, it is, I asked to get the, O,
Index.
look there, O. So the result is 4, right? This one, this 4. It means the count is beginning from 0. So let me write here. Okay. And let me string str1. So I am giving two strings here. str1, I think we already have that str1. So what I'll do is strx, stry, I say. Now I am comparing using compare to method. I'll write here compare to method. So strx dot, look there, compare to, I am comparing another string stry. So here I created two variables strx stry with the same value. Now the result is 0. So when you are using compare to method to compare two strings, it will result to 0 when both the strings are equal. So compare to method is resulting 0 when both the strings are equal, and it is resulting a negative value and positive value. Let's see when it is going to return a negative value and when it is going to return a positive value. So compare to method returns 0 because both are equal. Now the same compare to method, I just copy, paste. What I'll do is strz, this time I give zzz, and look there, let's see the result, whether it is returning -1 or negative, negative or positive. So over there you can see this time it is giving -25 as the result, negative number. So this compare to method will return a negative when you can see I used strx then stry. It means when it is giving a negative value, it means strx and stry are according to the dictionary order. In dictionary, triple A comes first and triple Z comes later, right? So lexicographical order we say. So when the result is, a negative number, then strx and stry are in or in lexicographical order. Suppose if I convert this here Z Z Z and here A, and I'll copy paste the same. Yes, I just made ZZZ first and triple A letter. It means they are not as per the dictionary order. So when it is, then the result would be a positive value over there, 25. So when it is a positive value, then strx and stry are not in lexicographical order. Lexicographical order is nothing but dictionary order, that's it. So those are the things. Are you able to follow these?
Yeah, Hema.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So similarly, I want you to explore rest of the methods present in the string, and I will take you towards a string buffer now. Mhm. My Java class work. Yes, string buffer. So string buffer, unlike strings, it is mutable. So what is mean by mutable? It means the string can be modified here. So that is the major difference between string and string buffer. So when you are able to modify a string, then that is a string buffer actually. With the strings, you cannot modify the string. When you try modifying it, a new object is created. So what is this modifiable, mutable or modifiable is, let me show you on paint. So I create a string buffer here. String buffer equals to new string buffer. We create a string like this. We are passing the string here. Yes. Internally in the memory, what happens? A remote control is created whose name is strbuff, and an object is created in the memory, and this object has inside hello, and it is mapping. Yes, this is what internally happens. Now what I am doing is, to this string buffer I am appending. So I want text. So strbuff dot append. I am concatenating with world. So what happens is, so this convert to black color. So when I am appending world to this, so world to this, so what happens is the current object is being modified. I want this text box. So when you do this is what happens. So it means the current object is being modified with a string buffer. It is not going to create a new object over there, hello world. Instead, it is going to modify the existing object. So if it is a string, then a new object is created. So as this is a string buffer, it is modifiable, mutable, we say, modifiable or mutable. The current object is being modified. That is the major difference. So let me go back here. So I will show you how to create a string buffer here. String buffer str buff string buffer. Here we pass hello world. Yes, if you print this system.out.println, printing, so displaying this string buffer is nothing but just use strbuff to print. Yeah, look at the result, it will display hello world. Of course, it will display hello world. This is the result. Now, to this string buffer, you can see system.out.println. What I am doing is I go strbuff dot. Look there, when you give a dot, so it is giving me the length. If I say length, it will give me length. String buffer length is, it's giving me 11. So it means there are 11 characters in it, size of the string buffer. So size of the string. So yes.
So sorry
Yes,
for
yes.
the interruption. So this hello world, it's having 10 or 11. Oh, total it's 11, right, including space.
Including space, it is 11. Yeah. It will count including space also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Fine. So
Okay.
similarly, can you try using other methods on string buffer and observe the results? So you just give a dot and use the methods over there. Will you try?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, try. And here I have another assignment for you. Use double equal comparison and equals method using or better say with this string buffer, string buffers. Observe the results. Observe the results. Are they resulting? Okay, double equals comparison with a string we have seen whether the two remote controls are mapping to the same object, yes or no. Right? Double equals.
Mm.
If you are using equals method, then it is considering what is that contents present in the string, right? Now the same comparison I want you to use with a string buffer. it is something like you will be creating two string buffers like this. Example, you create strbuff1, here you give India. Similarly, string buffer str2, so strbuffer2, and here you give capital India. Now I want you to use both double equals and equals comparison, and I want the results also. So try and let me know the results tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sure. Yeah,
Fine.
sure.
Fine then. For now, I'm going to wind up the session, and we shall continue tomorrow, same time,
Okay,
and we will explore another property of string buffer, that is synchronized. What synchronization is. Okay.
okay. Yeah,
I'll add this video to the same YouTube channel. You can refer to that there. I'll email you the example of the string which I
Okay.
wrote here on Eclipse. Okay,
okay.
fine. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.